action.
Greetings fellow Decepticons, Blaster1987 here with my review of For Cybertron Trilogy Kingdom Deluxe Airazor. This is a more cartoon accurately proportioned and well designed version of the Beast Wars Airazor character compared to the original Beast Wars toy. In the original Japanese concept of a Beast Wars character, Airazor was supposed to be a male character called Wing Saber, but then it got changed to female so they would have a bit more gender equality with a second female character of a show after Black Arachnia came out. So, as you can see, here is Airazor in her Peregrine Falcon mode for size comparison. Here is Santon, aka Magnabloss Ironhide, in his elephant mode. And Galaxy Force Ultra Class Flame Convoy, aka Cybertron Scourge, from the jungle planet of Transformers Cybertron. Articulation's pretty good in this mode for a modern beast former. The head is on an up and down hinge and can swivel most of the way around. Beak opens as well. There's even a tongue molded in there, but it's not actually painted, unfortunately. But if you get your nail in there, you can open the beak all the way for a mid-air screaming pose, as most Peregrine Falcons would be known for. There's also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hinges in the wings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and an extension swivel as well for in-flight or resting poses, so you can have a resting in sort of in a perched roosting position like so. The legs also have some articulation. Most of it is the robot mode, obviously, but still usable. The feet, for example, are ball jointed. So, to transform Kingdom Airazor into robot mode, Airazor, maximize. First of all, remove these gold weapon pieces from the backs of the hips, like so. Then lift up the tail feathers to unlock the waist swivel. Disconnect the legs like so, bring them down, fold out the knee, unfold the shin, rotate the foot 180 degrees and then rotate the thigh swivel 180 degrees to clean up a robot leg. Same on the other side. Then rotate the waist 180 degrees and lock the tail feathers back into place. Like so. So come around to the underside like so. Flip up these shoulder pieces. Untab this panel from the back of the wings to give the head clearance. Then fold out the arms like so, unfold the hands, oops, making sure that the shoulder panels stay up, of course. Unfold, rotate so that the elbows are facing the right way around. Then what you want to do is use the hinges in the wing, so these tabs here peg into these slots on the back. But of course, to line things up properly first, we've got to rotate the head around. So keep this panel on the back open and ratchet the Peregrine Falcon head around so the robot head comes out. Like so. Then accordion double hinge the torso into position, like so. Now these tabs and slots are lined up with the wings, so you can tab those into position to keep the wings in place, then fold the outer hinge like so. That'll keep the wings in place. Of course, you can extend them again later if you want a larger wingspan for Airazor's robot mode. And finally, attach the gold weapons onto the ports on the forearms like so. In the Siege part of the War for Cybertron Trilogy, these ports were part of the combat system, and in Earthrise they were part of the airlock system. But in Kingdom, they don't seem to have come up with an acronym for these weapon ports. She also has, in addition to these ones, ports on the hips and on the back of the calves as well. Not sure what you use the calf ports for, but still. Here we have Airazor in her robot mode. Articulation is pretty good for a modern deluxe. She's got a ball jointed head, like so. Universal shoulders with independent hinges for the shoulder panels. Bicep swivel, just over 90-degree knee bend, nothing at the wrists unfortunately, but still. Waist swivel, somewhat hindered by the tail feathers, but you can unlock those where necessary. Universal hips. Thigh swivel just above the knee. Very deep knee bend. Ball jointed ankles. And if you want to give her that digitigrade look, there's the transformation ratchet hinges in the lower shin to alter the positioning of her legs. I know there are some upgrade kits that give her that bow and arrow weapon she used in the original Beast Wars cartoon, but I don't currently have that upgrade kit available to me. Once I do, I'll review it, but for now, this is just the standard figure of Airazor as she is out of the box. And of course, you can fold the wings down, fold them up, or splay them all the way out if you want. Personal preferences may vary. So, for size comparison, here we have Airazor with Beast Wars 2nd Mantis, the American Beast Wars Manterra Japanese repaint, and my previous reviewed subject, Beast Wars Neo Encore 2018 anime accurate reissue of Big Convoy. So, that concludes my review of Kingdom Airazor. I have been Sandblaster1987. Join me next time when I review my first ever Tokuja figure with Build.io. Until then, till all are one.